Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain mean and variance of F distribution, for which I consider the moment about origin of F distribution. We have calculated the moment about origin. I have considered the result. So consider the moment about origin, that is mu r dash, it is equivalent to be n2 by n1 whole power r multiplied by gamma of n1 by 2 plus r multiplied by gamma of n2 by 2 minus r divided by gamma of n1 by 2 into gamma of n2 by 2. This is what the result of the moment about origin we obtained. In which if you substitute r equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, you will get the respective moments about origin. To calculate mean and variance, it is required to calculate only two moments, r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2, that is mu 1 dash and mu 2 dash. So substitute r is equal to 1. If r is equal to 1, what you will get? Mu 1 dash is equivalent to b. Substitute here n2 by n1 whole power 1 multiplied by gamma of n1 by 2 plus 1 multiplied by gamma of n2 by 2 minus 1 divided by gamma of n1 by 2 gamma of n2 by 2. This is what, after substituting r is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, substitute here n2 by n1 whole power 1, r is equal to 1, n1 by 2 plus 1, r is equal to 1, gamma n2 by 2 minus 1. So for this, to simplify this, you apply the formula of gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. This is what the result used. Use the result gamma n plus 1. With the formula, you calculate this. I have already explained that whenever you simplify the formula, you compare the values. n1 by 2, this is also term of n1 by 2. In which is the highest one? Greater one. n1 by 2 plus 1. So therefore you have to separate this. You have to apply the formula for this. Similarly, n2 by 2 minus 1, n2 by 2. This is the highest one. So this is going to be divided. This is the formula is going to be applied for this. So right. So what I do here directly, this is the formula directly available there, but this is not available. So therefore what I do, I subtract 1 and add 1. So here what I am subtracting, minus 1 plus 1. Do you understand this? So now easily n2 by 2 minus 1, if you consider m gamma m plus 1, m gamma m. So this will be cancelled. So here the formula n2 by n1 multiplied by this formula, if you consider n1 by 2 is m gamma m plus 1, m into gamma m. Therefore n1 by 2 gamma n1 by 2 divided by this is gamma of n1 by 2. You understand? First term compared. Now the second term, gamma of n2 by 2 minus 1 divided by this is n2 by 2 minus 1, you consider m. Therefore this is n2 by 2 minus 1 into gamma of n2 by 2 minus 1. This is what, how to apply the formula. Now the terms will be easily cancelled. Gamma n1 by 2 cancel, gamma n2 by 2 minus 1, gamma n2 by 2 minus 1 also cancel. So therefore, here you have, you see, n1 will also get cancelled. Here we have 2. If you take an LCM, n2 by 2 minus divided by 2, take 2 is LCM, n2 minus 2 divided by 2. So therefore, I write the remaining value here, n2 multiplied by, here we have into 1 by 2 multiplied by, this is what the another value here, 1 divided by n2 minus 2 divided by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So hence the final value is n2 divided by n2 minus 2, for which n2 must be greater than 2. Otherwise, F distribution, this particular value cannot be defined. So therefore, this is what mu 1 dash, the value of mu 1 dash, which is nothing but mean of the, therefore mean of the F distribution is n2 by n2 minus 2, provided by n2 should be greater than 2. Right? This is what the first moment we have calculated. It is also mean, the mean of F distribution, which is n2 by n2 minus 2. Right now we have to calculate variance. For which I first of all consider calculate mu2 dash. So for which you have to substitute r is equal to 2. So I am substituting r is equal to 2. So now I substitute r is equal to 2 and I calculate remaining values, remaining moment. If r is equal to 2, then mu2 dash is equal to n2 by n1 whole square, r is equal to 2. And gamma of n1 by 2 plus 2 multiplied by, this is gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2, this is r is equal to 2, r is equal to 2, divided by gamma of n1 by 2 and gamma of n2 by 2, right? So now we have to simplify again by using the same formula, gamma n plus 1, but we have to use 2 times. How to use? You see here, this is n1 by 2 plus 2. I use here, you see the formula, just only the formula, n1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1. Plus 2 I am writing plus 1 plus 1. So this will be n1 by 2 plus 1 into gamma of n1 by 2 plus 1 first. Okay? And then it is n1 by 2 plus 1 multiplied by, again this is n1 by 2 into gamma of n1 by 2. Do you understand this? Gamma into n1 by 2 plus 2 I am writing as n1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1. So gamma, this is I am considering m. What is that? n1 by 2 plus 1. So gamma n1 by 2 plus 1, gamma of n1 by 2 plus 1. We have applied the formula gamma n plus 1 and gamma n gamma n. Now again, now n1 by 2 plus 1 into, now this value can be written as directly. This is n1 by 2 if we consider some m, gamma m plus 1 is m into gamma m, n1 by 2 into gamma n1 by 2. So this is what the way you have to write this. So this formula, and so I am writing here the values here, n2 by n1 whole square multiplied by, first of all I am writing these two values. What is the value of gamma n1 by 2 plus 2? It is n1 by 2 plus 1 into n1 by 2 into gamma of n1 by 2 divided by gamma of n1 by 2. This is the value of the first one. Now you see, among these what is the highest value? n1 by 2 minus 2, n2 by 2 minus 2, n2 by 2, n2 by 2. So for this you have to subtract 1, add 1 now. So because of the reason that this is n2 by 2 is the value, highest value, n2 by 2 minus 2 is the lowest value. Now I am subtracting I am separating the value here, gamma n2 by 2, for which I am considering gamma n2 by 2, n2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 first of all. In first step I have subtracted 1 and add 1. Then what will you have? n2 by 2 minus 1 into gamma n2 by 2 minus 1. Still it is not reduced to n2 by 2 minus 2. So again you apply n2 by 2 minus 1 into, this is gamma of again n2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, n2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1. Now n2 by 2 minus 1 becomes n2 by 2 minus 2. I write one more step. n2 by 2 minus 1 into gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2 plus 1. Now you write it is n2 by 2 minus 1 into, this is n2 by 2 minus 2 into gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2. Do you understand this? Now it is n2 by 2 minus 2 is m. Gamma m plus 1 is m into gamma m. That is n2 by 2 minus 2 into gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2. Do you understand that? So that is, I write the formula here now. Gamma further it is to be reduced to gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2. You have to do this. If you do 2 times only, you are getting this gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2. Now this value is n2 by 2 minus 1 into n2 by 2 minus 2 multiplied by gamma of n2 by 2 minus 2. This is what the value, the way you have to calculate, and so that the terms will get cancelled. That is gamma n2 by 2 minus 2, gamma n2 by 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. And gamma n1 by 2 minus n1 by 2, gamma n1 by 2 will get cancelled. The remaining values you have to simplify. Do you understand? This is very simple, but you have to understand, right? So right now, I am simplifying the value now. If you simplify the value, what you will get? If you simplify this, this is equivalent to be n2 by n1 whole square multiplied by n1 by 2 plus 1. That is, if you take 2 LCM, that is n1 plus 2 divided by 2. This is n1 by 2 multiplied by, this is divided by remaining values. There is no other value in the numerator. The remaining values. n2 minus 2 divided by 2. n2 minus 2 divided by 2. This is n2 minus 4 divided by 2. n2 minus 4 divided by 2. 2 is to take a LCM. Minus 4 divided by 2. So 4 will get cancelled. All 2's will get cancelled. And n1 will get cancelled here. n1 square, this is n1. It will get cancelled. The final value here, n2 square multiplied by, here n1 plus 2. n1 plus 2 divided by this is n2 minus 2, n1 is also there, n2 square divided by n1, that is n1 here, n2 minus 2 into n2 minus 4. This is the value of mu2 dash. This is the value of mu2 dash, but it is not variance. The variance is mu2. Now we calculate variance, right? Hope you understand. So once you have calculated mu1 dash and mu2 dash, now we can calculate mu2. What is the formula of mu2? This is mu2 dash. mu2 is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. What is mu2 dash? This is the value, n2 square into n1 plus 2 divided by n1 into n2 minus 2 into n2 minus 4 minus mu1 dash is n2 by n2 minus 2. It is mean the whole square. This is what? Now we have to simplify this. We will see how far we can simplify this. So now we can leave this, but even then if you simplify, it is somehow good. So now n2 square you can take a common. n2 square the both the terms divided by n2 minus 2 here, n2 minus 2 whole square here, n2 minus 2 here. I am taking n2 minus 2 is common. n2 minus 2. Now you multiply the terms. Remind what are the terms? What are the terms remind? Now you see n2 square we have taken, so n1 plus 2 divided by n1 minus n2 minus 2 we have taken, so n1 into n2 minus 4 minus here n2 square we have taken, so in the numerator 1 n2 minus 2 whole square we have taken n2 minus 2 common, so n2 minus 2. Now you take LCM and so that simplify it, right? So I am simplifying further I am simplifying. Do you understand this? So further I am simplifying. The mu2 is equivalent to be n2 square divided by n2 minus 2 multiplied by, now I am taking LCM, n1 into n2 minus 2 into n2 minus 4, an LCM, right? Now n1 into n2 minus 4, so you have to multiply with n2 minus 2, so n1 plus 2 into n2 minus 2 plus, not plus, minus n2 minus 2 is we have taken in the LCM, so n1 into n2 minus 2, so minus of n1 into n2 minus 4, n1 into n2 minus 2 in the LCM, so n1 into n2 minus 4, right? So further what we can do, what we can cancel, any terms we can cancel, we'll see. n2 square divided by, this is n2 minus 2 whole square, okay. n1 into, we do later, n2 minus 2 multiplied by, now n1 plus 2 into n2 minus 2 and minus n1 into n2 minus 4. Here I can, if I write n2 minus 4 as n1 into n2 minus 2 minus 2. Do you understand? This term I am writing as n1 into n2 minus 2 minus 2. Then This is nothing but n1 into n2 minus 2 minus 2 into n1, right? Do you understand this? This is what in this particular term to cancel here we have n1 into n2 minus 2. Here also we have n1 into n2 minus 2. n1 into n2 minus 2 minus 2. If you do here n1 into n2 minus 2 minus 2 into n1. So that is what I am writing here. Here I am separating the term n1 into n2 minus 2. n1 into n2 minus 2. Do you understand? I have multiplied n1 with n2 minus 2. n1 into n2 minus 2 and plus 2 into n2 minus 2. Plus 2 into n2 minus 2. Do you understand? n1 into n2 minus 2 plus 2 into n2 minus 2 and then minus of n1 into n2 minus 2, but minus of minus this will be plus. Okay, this is minus. If you multiply here minus minus of n1 into minus of this minus of n1 into n2 minus 2. So minus of minus this is plus plus 4 2 into n1 plus 2 into n1, right? So divided by n1 into n2 minus 2 into n2 minus 4. This is what the term you have. That is only for the simplify. For one term is going to cancel. That's all. Now you see n1 into n2 minus 2. n1 into n2 minus 2 minus sign. n1 into n2 minus 2 plus sign. Will it cancel? That's all. Remaining. Here also we have a 2 common, and we can take 2 as a common factor, so that further we can simplify that. The term here 2 I am taking common, 2 n2 square multiplied by here n2 minus 2 plus 2 n1. That is there. If you take 2 common, so n2 minus 2 plus n1. That is n1 plus n2 minus 2. Do you understand? Take common. Here n1, 2 taken a common, n1 plus n2 minus 2, n1 plus n2 minus 2 divided by, whole divided by, here n1 into n2 minus 2 into n2 minus 2, n2 minus 2 whole square into n2 minus 4. This is the value of variance for which n2 should be greater than 4. n2 should be greater than 4. This is what the value. Of course, in mu2 dash also, n2 should be greater than 4. This is what the variance of f distribution. The variance of f distribution is 2n2 square into n1 plus n2 minus 2 divided by n1 into n2 minus 2 whole square into n2 minus 4, for which n2 must be greater than 4. Hope you understand. I hope you understand. Right? Thank you.